Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video for people like me with limited to no computer experience. I call it a point and click community. And today we have an issue with typing in any search in our Windows 10 machines. And I can even open an Explorer, Windows Explorer here. Any search, I cannot type anything in anymore. This happened to a friend of mine, and she gave me a call, say, hey, come on, can you fix that? So I looked around in my network, and yeah, I have a machine here what has the same issue. So first step, we see if our machine has the latest service pack and is up to date. So basically we go to settings, then update and security. So the first thing that I want to look on here is my OS build and get some info here. And this one is still on 1909, the version 1909. That's really should have been updated a while ago. To show you real quick, her machine was already on the 20H2. What's the newest version? It was up to date with all the service packs, and it still had this issue. But if you are at a 1909, try to update your machine to the newest version of the OS. Now, if for any reason you can't or won't update it, what you could try, uninstall an update. Go to update and security and view update history. Because we are on Windows 10 version 1909, we are looking for an update. I click on uninstall updates. And we're looking for an update what's KB 4532695. And I do not have this update, so it don't apply to this machine. But if you have it in it, uninstall it and reboot your machine, give it a try. Maybe then you are able to type again in your Windows search boxes. Now, if you're still on a Windows 10 version 1903, then you would look for the update KB 15384 and try to uninstall that. So in case this didn't work, let's move on. What else we could do is you open your task manager, click on point community. I do it. I right click on my task bar and just open my task manager. Now I'm looking, maybe there are some stalled applications or they are not functioning right. So what I want to do is, if you see your Windows Explorer, just go and give it a restart. Next, we are looking for a search. If you see search in here, just end the task and see if you can type now. So this still didn't work. Let's move on. The next option is not so much point and click, so just bear with me. Even we are the point and click community here, we need to type a little stuff now. So this options requires us to put a command in Powershell. To get to Powershell, hit your Windows key and your R key on your keyboard simultaneously. You get the run command or run it out of your task manager. I have the task manager open anyhow. So I just run a new task and type in Powershell. And I create the task with administrative privileges and hit OK. So let's enter the command here. And it will probably fail now because I have still apps running underneath and stuff. I can close most of it. But like I said, you might have to reboot in a safe mode to do that. So I hit enter and it's starting to re-register the modern apps. And you see already I have failures there. The reason is because these apps are still running. So now you can give it a try. See if you can type in your search bar or in the Windows Explorer in the search. If that didn't work out for you because you got failures or whatever, we move on to our next option we have. Now for this option, we also have to type a little something again because we are using the deployment, image servicing, and management tool to restore the health of our system. To use this tool, we have to open a command prompt. You can do this again by hitting the Windows icon and the R key simultaneously on your keyboard to get a run command, or like I do it, I'm anyway in the task manager. I just start a new task here, CMD, and I create this task with administrative privileges, opens a command prompt window. Now let's type our command in here. Let's move it over. We hit enter. It can take a little while, so be patient. Let it run through. After successful completion of this, we issue the command for consistency scan. And it will take also a little while, so be patient till it runs through. So now that it is finished, successful, just close everything down and give your system a restart. So you went through all these steps and none of them solved your problem. So let's try the last option. And this is more a workaround, but it will work 90% of the time. It will work. So open your Windows Explorer. Scroll down on your C drive or wherever your Windows is installed. Go into your Windows directory. Look for your System32. Open System32 folder. And now we want to look for ctfmon.exe. That's executable. That's your CTF loader. Now when you start this file, double click on it and start it. Your CTF monitor is started and you will see you can type again in your search box. And your search box here will work. So that will work out, but as soon you shut the system down and bring it back up, that program will not run. But to make it run at the system startup, we just put it in our system startup directory. This system startup directory is buried far into your directory tree. So to make it a lot easier, we just open a run command again. We type in here shell :startup. Click OK. It brings up your startup directory. Now right click on your ctfmon.exe. Drag it over, make sure you right click and don't left click on your mouse, and create a shortcut in here. Now even if you restart your system now, it will start and it will work. I hope any of the steps helped you out and you are able to type in your Windows search again. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button, hit that notification bell so you get notified when a new video comes out, and if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to my channel. Will really help me out and I appreciate it. Thanks so much, and I'm gonna see you the next time.